Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I am going to be unboxing the August Glossy Box. First of all, I want to say I love that the box is pink. I don't know if you can tell any little common denominator in the background, but loves pink. Pink nails, pink outfit, pink background. We should just paint the world pink. But yes, I love pink, so I love this box. And I love like the little contrast with the white and black bow. So if you guys want to see what I got, just stay tuned. Alrighty, before I show you guys what I got, I just wanted to welcome anyone who's new to my channel. Hello, my name is Aisha. I am a makeup subscription YouTuber. I do mostly those type of videos on my channel. I subscribe to makeup subscription boxes that I actually enjoy, and I share them with you guys on my channel. I also do lots of makeup hauls. I show things from my collection, and I do mystery boxes. If those are things that you enjoy watching, then please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Become a part of my family. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell so you know each and every time I upload a video, and you don't have to ever worry, did Aisha upload today? I wonder if she did. Let me go check her channel. You don't have to do that anymore, because what you can do is actually just hit that notification bell and they'll tell ya. So less work to do. But anyway, I want to show you guys what I got. If you didn't get a chance to see my last video, I explained that I was away because unfortunately we had a tropical storm. It was all over, but I'm from New York and we actually got hit pretty bad. New York normally does not get hit bad when it comes to these type of storms, but where I live in New York, we got hit really bad. On my way home from that storm that day, like there was 3 different trees down on the path to where I could normally get to my place. So I had to reroute 3 times. The 4th time I finally found a way to get in. But it was crazy. I'm like, am I going to be able to like drive to my place? It was really bad. I had no cable, no electricity, no Wi-Fi. No, nothing. I was in pitch dark. I want to say it was like 4 or 5 days. I literally just got like my electricity and Wi-Fi and everything back up. So I am trying to play catch up now and film my videos for you guys and just catch up. So this is why I'm filming 2 videos today because I couldn't obviously film in the dark. I wish I could have because I wanted to show you guys what I got right away. I always, whenever I get my boxes, I try to film them that day. But sometimes, you know, things don't always go as you want it to be planned. Nevertheless, finally, without further ado, here is my box for my Glossybox August edition. So this was like inside the box because you know these, if you do get Glossybox, it comes in a box. The original box, it says Glossybox. It's like a black box, but they do that so that way the actual boxes doesn't get messed up. This was on the top like so. It's a card for Fincero, $50. It says $50 gift card when you order over $100. So, oops, that was inside on the top. Then when you open the box, there's a card on top. And then this is what it looks like once you take the card off. And they always give a beautiful little seal. So, let's see. They normally tell you what you got. So it tells you what I got inside the pamphlet. And then there's some other things to read in here. Also, Glossybox just came out with a new skincare box. So it's like all skincare. I want to say, is it all their products that's going to be in here though? I think it's just going to be all their products. But I'm already subscribed to one skincare subscription box, which is Beauty Fix. And honestly, like I'm more makeup than skincare, so I don't want to subscribe to another skincare box. It looks interesting, but it's just like I'm so overwhelmed with all the skincare products I get. Also for my job, I've been accumulating all this gratis. A lot of this stuff is like skincare, so it's like I have so much stuff. This is gonna be in my next video that I'm gonna film. I get so much gratis too, so it's like I get my subscription boxes and I get my makeup gratis, my skincare gratis. So like I really can't afford to get things that like I don't necessarily need at the moment. So I don't think I'm gonna do the glossy skincare box. But maybe eventually I will. But for now, I'm giving a lot of stuff away, but I still have a lot of stuff too. So, and I want to actually try some of this stuff, but like, you're not gonna know if your skin is doing well with the product if you just keep switching things. So I like to use one thing, finish it, and then go on to the next thing. So let's see what I got in here. Let's see. So let's open up the sale. And these are the products that I got. Let's see if I can show you without making it drop. Oh, I did good this time. Normally something drops out. Alrighty, so where do I begin? Let's start with this. This looks cute. It's the dry shampoo. Oh, this is what the product looks like. So it's like a dry shampoo. I wonder if it has a smell to it. Because it says pink clay and peppermint. Oh yeah, definitely. I smell like the peppermint. It does have a smell to it. It says for oily hair. My hair's not necessarily really oily, but I'll try it. I'll try it. Because you never know. Maybe if I have too much product in my hair, I can use it just to dye it down a little bit. So let's see if there's a price for that. So it says that retails for $2.99, and that's a travel size. So they actually gave us something from the new Glossybox skincare line. They gave us the eye boost cream. Let's see. So it says this is full size, which retails for $18. So let's see, because if the box looks small, but let's see. Well, it says full size, 15 ml. This is what it looks like. It says this is to reduce appearance of dark circles and puffiness. Alrighty. The next thing I got is the Jacka Black Glow Drops Highlighting Primer for Face. Vegan, friendly, cruelty-free rose pearl. And let's see what it looks like. That's what the packaging looks like. Honestly, like, I don't think... Is it sealed? Yeah, it's sealed. I think I'm going to give this away because I don't... You know, the people who watch my channel, they'll know, like, I don't like anything, like, creamy on my skin. My skin is oily, so I like more powders. I don't like any type of cream, highlighters, illuminators. So this will be going toward my next giveaway. The next thing, how much is that? Let's see, that was $20. And that was full size. This is really cute. I like this. It says natural lip balm in wild berry, but I love like the cute packaging. It's like a cute little heart. How cute is that? Loves this. I wonder if it has a smell to it. So it feels kind of like rubbery. Feels like one of those like balls that you would, like the stress relievers kind of, but a little bit more stiffer. So let's see. The out smell smells like rubber, but let's see if it actually has a scent to it. Mmm. Inside it says Refinery Rebels. I love this. I forgot what's the EOS. It reminds me of the EOS lip balms. They're kind of like this, and you just rub them on like that. Very cute. I just have on like a clear lip gloss on today. I have on the I got this in my Ipsy one of my Ipsy bag, the one that's like $12, the hydrating lip oil. That's what I have on today. But let's put a little of this on top. Smells very nice. Not too shiny. If anything, I think it's a little bit more matter. And it's matting down my gloss. But that's okay. I like this. Very excited for this. Okay. So I like that. I got a sample of a Snowberry Youth Renewing Face Serum. Made in New Zealand. They gave me like a little packet. And was this like just a throw-in or? So they said this was an extra treat. That was an extra treat. The full size of that, if somebody was to buy that, is $72. And the lip balm that I just put on, that was full size, that was $7. So the next thing I got is this detangling brush for wet or dry hair. I always want to try something like this. But I never wanted to buy it because I'm just like, I don't need another brush. But now that I got it in my subscription box, I definitely would like to try it. So let's see. So I love, you guys know what I'm going to say. You guys, it looks white on camera, to me at least. But it's actually like a baby pink. Like a powdered pink. I don't think you can, I don't know if you can tell on camera. I feel like when I'm looking at the monitor, it looks kind of white. But it's a baby pink. And look at the actual bristles. Very nice. Pink on the inside. Loves the pink. Love, 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 love. And I love that they had like pink little frills on the inside. So that is everything. I love that the box was, everything was like pink themed in my opinion. Because this was pinky. The eye cream was pinky. This lip balm was pink. It's like they knew I loved pink. Like everybody knows I love pink. This had the pink in it. This had the pink. They just know me so well. No, I'm just joking. They have no clue who I am. But I'm very happy that I got all this pink stuff. So overall, what would I give this box? If it was a 1 to 5, I would give it a 2. Not to sound harsh, but like there was nothing in the box that I was like extremely excited about. Nothing was like, oh my gosh, I really want this. Like there was nothing that nobody's excited for like a dry shampoo or like a lip balm or like a brush to comb your hair or eye cream. You know, maybe people are excited for drops, but there was nothing here that I was excited for. But I mean, I will use a lip balm. I can always use a brush. I'm interested in trying this dry shampoo. I don't need any more skincare. So any skincare stuff that I get in my boxes, somebody's going to be blessed with a whole brand new skincare regimen from my giveaway because I have too much skincare. Yeah, so I'm going to give this away and I'm going to give the glow drops away. So I'm going to give 2 things away and I'm going to keep 3 things. So, that is everything I got in my box. What did you guys think about my box? It was okay. Nothing honestly exciting. I did love that there was only 1 skincare in the box. So I'm happy that like lately, they got the hint that people don't want to just keep getting skincare. Now, I get that some people actually like the skincare boxes. I mean, getting a lot of skincare, but these are more like catered toward more on the makeup side. They're supposed to be like makeup subscription boxes, like beauty subscription boxes, not skincare. So, or at least have a happy balance, 50-50, but they shouldn't be like majority all skincare because if that's the case, then you guys should call it a skincare box, right? Correct? Or am I wrong? I don't know. But nevertheless, beggars can't be choosers, and I'm not mad at anything. I never am, because I like trying new stuff, and I get it. It's just the name of the game. You're not always gonna like everything, but luckily for me, I do have a channel where I can share my products with you guys. The things that I don't use, I give away, because what's having stuff if you can't share it, right? So yeah. that concludes the ending of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, everyone who stayed to the end. If you're new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. It would be greatly appreciated. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. Miss and love you guys to pieces. Bye.